Hello dear student, I am going to teach tense. This is my video number 3. Tense shows verb plus time. There are 3 main times or tenses in English. First, present, past and future. A verb that refers to present time is said to be in the present tense. For example, I play. Second example, he sings. A verb that refers to past time is said to be in the past tense. For example, I played, he wrote. Next, a verb that refers to future time is said to be in the future tense. Example, I shall play. Each of these 3 tenses has 4 forms. It means every tense has 4 forms which denote various shades of meaning. First, I write. This is simple present tense. We also call it present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense has habitual truth, universal truth, factual, etc. I am writing. This is present continuous tense. This tense shows temporary action. Because time is not given, I have written present perfect tense. This tense shows work has been completed. I have been writing present perfect continuous tense. Time is given in this tense. The verb in the above sentences refer to present time. Therefore, these sentences are in the present tense, present time. They express different shades of meaning. These are divided into A, B, C, D. The simple form simply states an action. The simple form simply states an action. It does not say anything whether the action is completed or not. B. The continuous form indicates that the action is in process, it is still going on. C. The perfect form indicates that the action has been completed. D. The perfect continuous form shows that the action which began some time before is still continuing. Thus, the tense of a verb shows not only the time of an action or event but also the state of an action. Present tense has 4 forms. Past tense has 4 forms. Future tense has 4 forms also. Note, all these sentences are in the active voice. Now, identify the tenses. This is your homework. Identify the tenses of the verbs in the following sentence. He lived in Mathura. You find out where is verb. So, please do it, these sentences. You find out the verb and do more exercise of your grammar book. Thank you.